Okay, Mark, I've got to get to this. I want to ask you this because, you know, obviously you were front and center for this case. Today, a court dismissed George Zimmerman's defamation suit against NBC. What's your reaction?
My quick reaction is, you know, I'm not a civil lawyer, so I don't do it, but I was very surprised that in a summary judgment matter, which means there's no way that case could last, that it was done before the first bit of discovery was done. So I'll leave it up to the civil lawyers to look more into it, but I would have thought let the discovery continue so that you know what's really going on in the case.
Yeah. But just to remind our viewers what happened, they aired the 911 tape from George Zimmerman. It didn't say that it had been edited. Many people thought that they did it on purpose to try to make George Zimmerman look guilty. Did I get that correct, Mark?
You got that absolutely correct. When you take out 45 seconds in between and put in the part, is he black, and not in response to a question, that it would seem that they were jumping on a bandwagon of sensationalism.
All right.
And Don, if I can just add in.
Just quickly, go ahead.
Yeah, the reason why they were able to dispose of the case on summary judgment is because they disposed of it on a legal issue. They found that George Zimmerman was a public figure, and Florida law, like a whole host of issues, has some weird things around that required him to show actual malice as opposed to just a regular libel slander case.
As people would think there are some weird things around stand your ground as well. That was the assessment that a lot of people made.